Most people think that success comes from good luck or enormous talent, but many successful people achieve their accomplishment in a simpler way through self-discipline. Hello everyone and welcome to Avid Wisdom. This is the summary of the book called No Excuse, The Power of Self-Discipline by one of my favorite author, Brian Tracy. His writing is really simple and straight to the point. No Excuse shows you how you can achieve success in all three major areas of your life, including your personal goals, business and money goals, and overall happiness. One quality that most philosophers, teachers, and experts agree on is the importance of self-discipline. Self-discipline is what you must have to resist the lure of excuses. It is the key to a great life, and without it, no lasting success is possible. You can achieve almost any goal you set for yourself if you have the discipline to pay the price, to do what you need to do, and to never give up. Self-discipline is the ability to do what you should do when you should do, whether you feel like it or not. Self-discipline is the key to personal greatness. It is the magic quality that opens all doors for you and make everything else possible. With self-discipline, the average person can rise as far and as fast as his talent and intelligence can take him. But without self-discipline, a person with very blessed of background, education and opportunity will seldom rise above mediocrity. The two worst enemies. Just as self-discipline is the key to success, the lack of self-discipline is the major cause of failure, frustration, underachievement, and unhappiness in life. It causes us to make excuses and sell ourselves short. The two biggest enemies of success, happiness and personal fulfillment, are the path of least resistance is what causes people to take the easy way out in almost every situation. The expediency factor. People invariably seek the fastest and easiest way to get the things they want right now, with little or no concern for the long-term consequences of their behavior. In other words, most people do what is expedient, what is fun and easy rather than what is necessary for success. The most important single attribute of people who achieve great success in life is long-term perspective. The most successful people are long-term thinkers. They look into the future as far as they can to determine the kind of people they want to become and the goals they want to achieve. And then they come back to the present and determine the things they have to do or not to do to achieve their desired future. The common denominator for success is that successful people make a habit of doing the things that unsuccessful people don't like to do. It turns out that the things that successful people don't like to do are the same things that failure don't like to do either. But successful people do them anyway because they know that this is the price that they have to pay to enjoy the greater success and rewards in the future. To develop the habit of self-discipline, you can first make a firm decision about how you will have to behave in a particular area of your activity. You then refuse to allow exceptions until the habit of self-discipline is in that area is firmly established. Each time you slip as you will, you resolve yourself once again to keep practicing self-discipline until it becomes easier for you to behave in a disciplined manner than to behave in an undisciplined way. There is a direct relationship between self-discipline and self-esteem. The more you practice self-mastery and self-control, the more you like and value yourself. The more you self-discipline yourself, the greater is your sense of self-respect and personal pride. The more you practice self-discipline, the better is your self-image. You see yourself and think about yourself in a more positive way. You feel happier and more powerful as a person. Let me conclude this video by saying, self-discipline is the key to self-esteem, self-respect and personal pride. This development of self-discipline is your guarantee that you will eventually overcome all the obstacles and create a wonderful life for yourself. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please comment down below and let me know if you like this video and if you have any suggestion for our channel. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.